welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. My name is Chris, and today I've got a really awesome 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Restomod. And guys, the fit and finish on this car is excellent. It's got a great paint job on it, chrome bumpers, weld wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, independent rear suspension, and fuel-injected small block Chevy under the hood. This is one top-notch build, and you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. But let's go ahead and get started on this walk around. Let's start up front here. Like I said, your bumpers are in really good condition. You've got the RS style hideaway headlights here. Looks really good. As you take notice here, you do have the Z28 stripes on the hood that also follow back on the trunk. And you can definitely tell there's a lot of clear on this car because you can't even feel the lines on the stripes. So excellent quality there. As we work our way down the side of the fender here, all your body lines are nice and sharp and crisp. I don't see any dents. I don't see any imperfections or trash in the paint. Overall, a very, very high-end paint job here. Also meant to mention, you do have the cowl hood. Gives it that real sporty, aggressive look. We've got a set of, I believe, 18-inch weld wheels here, and these are the forged ones, so definitely good quality, lightweight, very strong. Don't have to worry about bent rims there. You've got a set of C5 Corvette brakes up front. C5 Corvette brakes are more than capable of handling what this car can do. As we work our way to the door is nice and clean. Got that beautiful body line right here through the middle. It's nice and straight. Don't see any dents or chip marks or anything like that. Your door handles are in excellent condition. You do have a mirror here over on the door. It's in great condition. Check out your wing window here. All your seals look nice. They're not dry rotted. It's all brand new. As we look at the top of the car, it's in great condition too. If you look at your drip rail here, I don't see anything there as well. The paint's all nice and good, all in that drip rail right there. Overall, great condition. We'll go ahead and open this door. I didn't shut it hard enough, but door shuts nice and good there. Your door's flush with the body of the car. Your body lines line up. And we work our way back to the back quarter here. Everything looks nice and clean. Once again, the body line that runs from the fender to the rear quarter panel here is nice and straight, crisp lines. You've got your trim here around your fender well. It's in great condition as well. And you've got some fat rubber back here in the back to get the power to the ground and keep traction. Also, as we work our way around the back here, you've got a beautiful chrome bumper. It's in great condition. And you get the Z28 stripes out here on the back of the trunk lid as well. You do have your SS logo here on your gas cap. Let me go ahead and pop the trunk for you. Show you how nice the trunk is on this car. Be very careful not to scratch the beautiful paint on this car. But guys, this car is just awesome in every way, all the way from the interior to the exterior. Just overall, very, very nice car. You do get a car cover with this car as well, some extra floor mats. We've got a folder here with some paperwork on the build. Cowl tag, a bunch of other really nice stuff, some extra oil there, extra belts. Definitely can't go wrong with that. But as you can tell, the trunk is in excellent condition. Everything looks new in here. This car was an off-frame restoration. Well, this car is a subframe, so not technically an off-frame, but the body definitely was all redone. And the subframe was taken off and done as well. But overall, super clean. As you can tell, even the trunk light is working on this trunk. Super, super nice. But with that being said, let's go ahead and check out the engine. All right, guys, take a look at that small block Chevy. It's a 350 small block Chevy with 480 horsepower, fully built, 4-bolt main. It's got the EDELBROCK fuel injection system on it. You've got the March serpentine system, billet up front. Super, super nice. This car runs top-notch long tube headers. And if you go ahead and check out them billet hinges there, those are a really nice upgrade. Those are about $1,000 just for the hinges. You've got power disc brakes. Overall, just super clean under the engine bay. All the wires are tucked. You've got an aluminum radiator with electric fan, and you've got the billet braces right there as well. That just helps keep everything nice and tight. But guys, overall, this engine bay is very, very clean and is done right. And this motor runs very strong, 480 horsepower, guys. This is no slouch. That's more than an LS3. So guys, don't sleep on this one. The small block Chevys can definitely still perform. But guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and see what the interior's got to offer. All right, guys, the interior is definitely something to talk about here, so we're going to spend a little bit of time on this interior because there's a lot of modifications that have been done. and literally everything in this interior is brand new. I mean, if you just check out the beautiful door panels, all your chrome piping here, down to your handles, to your window crank, to your armrest here, everything is in excellent condition. Nice black leather material, black paint up here, no scratches. Your wing window works perfect. The knob there locks perfect. The steering wheel is super nice. I really like this. It's nice and thick and sporty, like an aftermarket, like a Sparco steering wheel or something of that brand, but yet has the classic look that fits this car. Just absolutely beautiful. You do have tilt steering column as well. Your turn signal and your tilt column lever here are billet to match all the chrome trim pieces in here. Just overall looks really, really nice. All the attention to detail has been touched on this car. If you even just take a look at the pedals are even billet as well, and they just look really good. Everything in this car, everything that you look at just looks high quality, and you can just tell that somebody spent a lot of time and money on this car, all the way down to the shifter with how the boot is, the Tremec 5-speed that's in here, the vintage AC, all your gauges. And speaking of that, I kind of want to show the gauges with them turned on. They got a really cool look to them. So let me go ahead and turn the key in here so I can show you the gauges. So they light up blue. These are Boss gauges. So they're very similar to like Dakota Digital. It shows your tach here, your speed. The speed goes up to 160, which you definitely need with a car like this. You've got your oil pressure, your voltage, everything you need right there in those two round gauge pods there. You've got a nice center console here with some storage here. These seats are very, very nice. These are CORBEAU seats. CORBEAU is one of the well-known seat manufacturers. They're right up there with Bride and Sparco. They're definitely very nice. They have anything from aggressive racing seats to a more simple seat like this. It's more comfortable for daily driving. One thing that I was talking to my partner about on this car, the only things that this car is missing that takes it to a Pro Touring is a more aggressive seat, harnesses, and a harness bar. If you had those three things, you would have a Pro Touring car here with the suspension, the engine, the transmission, everything in here would definitely, in my opinion, qualify it for a Pro Touring car. But guys, enough with the interior. We've saved the best part till now. Let's take this one for a drive. Guys, we're out now taking a cruise in this beautiful 1967 Camaro. Guys, and everything about this car just gets me excited in a good way. This is just everything down to the steering wheel, to the gauges, to the sound of that beautiful 350. It's just an awesome, awesome car. This car does not have a radio in it, but who needs a radio when you've got that beautiful cammed V8 just making all that beautiful noise back there in the back? Just super nice, guys. Overall, so far, we're at a traffic light, but so far I've noticed the gearbox shifts really smooth. The clutch feels good. The steering's nice and tight on it, which you would expect from all the suspension modifications, which we'll get to here in just a minute. But guys, overall, just super nice. All your gauges are working. But let's go ahead and see what this baby's got. Guys, you just can't beat that at all, man. Just plenty of power, guys. The American V8 just sounds amazing. Overall, just a super nice car, guys. This would definitely be something that I would like to put in my driveway. And I'm very, very picky. Doing this for a living, you see a lot of cars. We see a lot of nice cars, but there's only a few out there that really make me want to pull the trigger and buy it, and this is definitely one of them. This beautiful hugger orange color is amazing on this car. The beautiful Z28 stripes. Overall, just a perfect car, guys, in my book. Absolutely amazing. We'll take some turns here. Man, with that independent rear suspension, this car just hugs the road. Absolutely amazing. But let's go ahead and get back to the shop so I can show you all that amazing suspension underneath this beautiful 67 Camaro. the Camaro back here and put it up on the 4-post lift. We're gonna go over everything. Now bear with me, this car's got a lot of modifications, so I'm gonna go over everything kind of slow and point out everything on this car because it's very, very nice. So we'll start up front here. As we look, everything's nice and tight underneath here. Everything looks nice and clean. The frame's all been painted black. You've got that beautiful aluminum radiator underneath here. As we work our way back, you got your core support here that's all painted in black. You've got a really nice set of tubular control arms, real beefy with some polyurethane bushings. You've got some upgraded shocks and springs up front here. You also have your long tube headers. Everything under here is very, very clean. I like the detail here with the starter blanket to help keep the heat off the starter. It prolongs the life of the starter doing that. As we look at the subframe here, it's all in good condition. All your holes here for your tie downs for like when the car was shipped during the factory is in good condition. They're not torn or ripped or any damage. You do have subframe connectors here as well that really tightens up the chassis and keeps everything nice and tight for when you're auto crossing it or out on the back roads, driving it real aggressively. You know, it's gonna keep everything nice and tight and keep the car planted to the ground. Just wanna make sure I haven't forgot anything up here. You do have a T5 Tremec transmission here as well. Your oil pan is a Moroso oil pan. It's in good condition. I don't see any leaks there. Ceramic coated long tube headers. So this is an EFI system, so you do have O2 sensors here to read everything for the gas so the computer knows what the air to fuel ratio is and to keep everything within its parameters. But overall, super, super nice here. You got an aftermarket transmission cross member here that keeps the transmission nice and planted. Your drive shaft is in good condition. Look how nice the floor pans are on this thing. Super clean. They put like a undercoating on here that's more like a bed liner material. I really like that, especially for a car that you plan on driving because it really protects everything. You know, if you spray clean paint under here and you go to drive it, you know, like this car was built to be done, you're gonna get rock chips and chips on the paint under here. So a car that is built to be driven, I love this undercoating. It's very clean. It protects the bottom of the floor pans. But everything under here is very, very nice. Also, if you look here, all your fuel lines and everything are ran nice and tight up against the body and along the frame there with P-clamps. It keeps everything nice and neat and organized. Overall, guys, this car is just absolutely amazing. I would love to put this one in my garage. You do have the Hiedts independent rear suspension back here. And guys, this suspension setup back here is like $12,000, just the setup back here. You do have inboard Willwood brakes. It's a 9-inch rear pumpkin here that's made it up to the independent rear suspension. It's very, very cool. You do have your track arm here, or trailing arm, or control arm, whatever you want to call that, that keeps everything nice and straight. It is adjustable, so you can make your adjustments. But guys, overall, this car is just super awesome, super clean. It's a fresh build. It checks all the boxes for everything that you would want if you're looking for a good Restomod slash almost pro touring like we talked earlier. Just an amazing car. But if you're interested in this car, give us a call at 770-738-7111. Or you can go to the website and check this car out on our website at collectiblemotorcaratlanta.com. But guys, with that being said, we can handle all the shipping. We can handle everything. We can give you financing if you're interested in that. But overall, super easy process. We can handle everything here, make it super streamlined and super easy for you. So if you're interested in this car, give us a call today. But with that being said, we'll catch you on the next one.